Good afternoon everyone, and welcome back to the Lakeside, and this is part 5 of the new track. So I've just assembled 6 points for the crossovers to get from that area down there where the underground storage facility will be. It will come up and join the main track, number 1 track here. It will join there, and then I can reverse or go round, doesn't matter, and come up to this area here. So trains will come up, or from that way. If they come up from that way, I can then stop, reverse, go over this section of points to here to get onto the inside track. I suppose there's a couple of ways of doing this. I can have it either this way, or I can have it that way. It makes no difference really, because I'm going to have to reverse a loco or train whichever way I do it, so it doesn't really matter. I've opted now for this way. I have checked that I don't get any hitting just here for the coaches when they swing out, and likewise with this, it clears by miles, so I haven't got an issue there. So that's the way it's going to work. I know there's track missing, but it gives you an idea. So if you like, the train can come along here, reverse, go across this series of points, join up here obviously, and then carry on and get onto the inside track. And that's really all I need to do. I don't need any points because I can change them quite easily here with my hand, plenty of room, and that goes with all those points. So if I can eliminate the point motors, as many as I can, then I should be okay. The only place where I'm going to need a point motor or 2 is over there, where I'll have 1 point coming up here to join the 2 tracks, 1 coming up, 1 going down to the storage yard, and then another point where it joins the main track. And I will just have 2 point motors over there. Job done. And I won't even need a point motor for here, because I can change that one, and I can change that one by hand. So a much better system. All these points I can change by hand, just here. So yeah, brilliant. Just 2 point motors so far. So that's it really. Most of the track is up now. I've just got a little bit over there to do, and then that's it. So I have now done from the bridge and the ballast taken up over there. Just got a little bit over there to do for the ballast, and then I can start on that section, which is only pretty small really, so that just take a couple of hours to do, and then I can start relaying. So we're getting there. It's a right tip up here at the moment though, terrible, but it will all be sorted. So only a short video today, just to let you know the stage I'm at the moment. I've been in the garden for the last couple of days taking down some fencing and fence posts, and I've now done my backing, but I finished it anyway, so I'm just waiting for the chap to put the new fencing in on Thursday, and then I've got to do the concrete base for the summer house, but I'm not going to do that until my back heals up. I've got till the 21st of August, which is when they're going to assemble it, so I've got a little while yet. So there we go, getting there. I'm pleased with this. I know some of you were a bit upset, if you like, seeing me take all this up, but no more so than I was when I first dug into the first bit of track, taking it up. It seemed a horrendous thing to do, but it will all be for the good, I promise you. And I will have at long last a nice reliable layout, less complicated, and of course I'll get the advantage of having the underground storage yard, which is one of the main things, because there I've got 3 drawers full, absolutely full to the brim, of locos and rolling stock, plus underneath there all those drawers are full of rolling stock and locos, and on the floor. They're everywhere at the moment, but hopefully I can solve all that when I get this storage yard sorted out underneath there. Good, okay. A lot of work to do, but you will see me progress, and you will be able to see it taking shape, and then you'll go, yeah, it was worth it. I hope. No, it will be worth it. Okay folks, that's it for now. I'll just leave you with this shot here. So there's a total of 6 points there to get it from that track to that track. Okay, catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Bye.